My name is Natalie Christensen. I'm from Olathe North High School, and I'm going to be talking about forest management. Forests have a lot of ecological value. Trees furnish food and shelter for a lot of animals that live there. The leaves, stems, and roots are colonized by a various array of fungi. Dead and dying trees are valuable for many species living in the ecosystem. Alright, so if you look up there, there's holes in the trees, and that's from a woodpecker, and that's a dead tree. These snags are decayed by insects that are eaten by woodpeckers and other animals. Forests with a greater diversity of plants also host a greater diversity of organisms. Oh, you got a nest! Habitat. Forest vegetation acts to stabilize soil and prevent erosion. Forest plants help regulate the hydraulic cycle. Now we will talk about the economic value of forest product. Forests provide people with economically valuable wood products. Industrial harvesting has allowed the extraction of more timber than ever. It helps supply our rapidly growing population. Most commercial logging takes place in nations that have large expanses of boreal forests. One major issue involving forest management is deforestation. The definition of deforestation is the clearing and loss of forests. Deforestation causes soil degradation, population declines, species extinction. Deforestation causes CO2 to be released when plant matter is burned or decomposed. Thereafter, less vegetation is there to soak up the CO2. Developing countries are putting restrictions on logging due to these issues. Timber isn't being extracted by their nation's government, but by private timber companies. Another issue with forest management is fire suppression. The Forest Service and other land management agencies suppress fire whenever and wherever it breaks out. Ecological research shows that many ecosystems depend on fire. Certain plants have seeds that require fire to release them and replant them. Fire suppression can lead to catastrophic fires that truly do damage forests. Controlled burns have worked effectively but have only been implemented on a small amount of land. Salvage logging is the removal of dead trees after a natural disturbance. From an economical standpoint, this seems positive, but dead trees have an immense value. Insects that decay the trees provide food for wildlife. Many birds, mammals, and reptiles depend on dead trees for nesting. Continued effort needs to be made in order to help our forest management issues.